Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment because my hair is in a mess. I haven't moisturized my hair for a couple of weeks since we've been in quarantine. My hair is dry. I literally just detangled my hair. Had it in these twists for a few days and now my hair is dry. So to add some moisture back into my hair before I wash it, I'm going to do a DIY hot oil treatment and leave it in overnight and then wash my hair tomorrow. So I'm going to be using some Jamaican black castor oil and some vitamin E oil. And I'm also going to be using some of this Aunt Jackie multi-purpose oil that has a combination of different oils in there. I'm going to be mixing it in this bowl, and I'm also going to be mixing it with some Garnier Fruities. So what I'm going to do first is add some castor oil. It said it can be used as a hot oil treatment and left overnight. I'm going to do that. The same goes for the vitamin E oil. Just going to add a bit of that. And also the mixed oil. I'm going to add some more of the castor oil in there. So I'm going to warm this up in the microwave just for a few minutes, just to get the oil a little bit warm. And then I'm going to add some more of the, I'm going to add some conditioner in it, just to add a little bit more moisture to my hair. Okay, so now this is warm. I'm just going to mix it all up. And I'm going to add the conditioner. And when that's all mixed up, I'm just going to put it in my hair. My hair has already been detangled about a week ago, but I am going to still detangle it after I put this product in my hair, just so that I don't break my hair in the process, because my hair is so dry at the moment. So this is still warm, so I'm going to try and put it in my hair while it's still warm. Okay, as you can see, my hair is dry. You could barely even see the parts in my hair anymore because it is so dry. I don't have any moisture in my hand whatsoever. My hair is really dry, so I just need to try and sort that out. So I'm just going to put this back. I'm going to be using the same sections that I already have. I'll just start with this one. And my roots are really thick. I feel like I've had some growth in there over the past couple of weeks that I've had my hair in these twists. Actually, I'm going to show you what my hair looks like before I put the product in it. I'm just going to take it all out. I'm not going to be using any water in my hair, because I do want my hair to absorb the oils and the conditioner instead of water. This is what my hair looks like. You can see how dry it is. Completely dry. Hopefully we can get some moisture back into it. I'm just going to separate it lightly. I'm just going to take some of the product, put it in, while I lightly finger detangle as I go along. Already I can feel my hair soaking up this product. It's so dry, it's just thirsty for some moisture right now. Make sure I get the ends. And you can see how easy my hair is detangling. You see my curls are coming back straight away. I'm just gonna twist this up and then just move on to the rest of my hair. So this is half of my hair done. You can see my hair. My hair is nice and juicy. Didn't really get much hair from detangling, just that much from half of my hair, which is pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side of my hair, and then I'll come back and show you afterwards what I do once I'm done with this, putting the product into my hair. Okay, now that I've finished putting all the product into my hair, you can see my hair is nice and plumped, super hydrated. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a shower cap on my hair and leave it on overnight. And then tomorrow, before I wash it out, I'll come back and show you what my hair looks like, what it feels like. And then I'm going to wash it out and then I'll show you my results. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. I'm just going to go wash my hair now. I'm just going to show you what I did. I covered my hair with this cap when I slept. That would have created heat in my hair. And as you can see, my hair is wet and moisturized. And this is what my hair is looking like. It's still warm to the touch. My hair is very moisturized, guys. So just so I don't have too much moisture in my hair, I will be going to wash it with a protein conditioner, and then I'm going to deep condition with protein just so that I can get that balance back into my hair. And I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. This has hydrolyzed vegetable protein in it. It also has hydrolyzed keratin. And then I'm going to go in with the That's Natural protein treatment, just so that I can get a nice balance in my hair with moisture and protein. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It's nice and moisturized. What my hair needed. And then I'll wash it, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like afterwards. And when I style it, if it made any difference to my styling. Okay, I'll give you a close-up. And you can see my hair is moisturized compared to what it was before I started. Yes, my hair is a bit dirty as well, but I'm gonna go wash it now. Just gonna massage my scalp lightly. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, this is my hair freshly washed. It feels really nice and soft. I've got absolutely no product in my hair at the moment, and as you can see, it's looking really nice, really juicy, and really soft. So I'm going to style my hair, and then I'll come back and show you what my hair looks like after it's been styled. Okay guys, this is what my hair turned out like after I finished styling. You can see it's nice and shiny and soft. Definitely moisturized. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.